What's up, guys? So this video is 5 Overland budget items under $100. So I've looked at the website and you know, I think I got some good ones. And all these items are under $100. All these items are very useful. You know, I say like overlanding, but I mean, you know, they're useful Sunday to Sunday, guys, no matter if you're on the trail or on the interstate. So let's get into it. Number 1, ARB EZ Deflator, guys. This thing is like 35 bucks, super useful on your truck, your buddy's truck, your mom's car, everyone's car that wants to take air out of their tires, which may not be your mom's car, but for everything else, guys, it is super useful. You know, instead of like sticking a rock or a stick in, you know, into your valve stem, you can actually screw this bad boy on and then pull the valve stem out, and then all you do is move this back and wham, tons of air coming out. You can go down from like 35 psi to 15 psi fairly quickly, you know, on all 4 tires. And if you want to be fancy, you know, show off at the local like cars and coffees, you get this digital inflator, but also a deflator, guys. Digital, has a digital screen, lights up, all the cool things there, latches on, you don't have to hold it on, and all you do is press this trigger and you're done, guys. And I have one of these, I like it a lot. I also have one of these and like it a lot, and you know, they're useful all the time. You know, this one may be only useful with an air compressor, but still useful nonetheless. Number 2, lights. Lights are important. They're important on the trail, they're important if you're camping, they're important if you're on the side of the road, whatever you're doing. You're probably not on the side of the road because Toyotas don't break, but you could find yourself there. This is a WaganTech, a lantern, guys. Super useful, super bright. You push it in and it has a light there, pull it out, has a light there, bam. You know, if you have, you know, like a rough night out with the boys, you forget your phone charger somewhere, bad bamma jamma right there, charges anything that you need. It dies, you just plug the light in. Look at that, guys, super nifty. I thought so. I personally have like 15 of these on my bad boys. It's got these 2 little clips that pop up, super easy to hang like anywhere, especially in a rooftop tent. If you have, you know, like molly panels on your roof, anything it'll hang from. It's got a magnet, and you know, it's just like a nice like ambient light. It's not like super bright, but you know, it is, you know, like I said, like a great like ambient light in a tent. It's got a couple modes, it'll get dim, and yeah, you know, anyone in your tent will appreciate it. So I think they're awesome, guys. This bad boy here is 30 bucks, this one is 40 bucks, and you can find them both at Yotamafia.com. Number 3, guys, you're probably thinking, what a Trasharoo? What am I gonna do with this? I don't even have a spare tire. Well, let me tell you guys how useful that it actually is. And if you have a ladder, I don't know, a spoiler, I might not recommend that, I don't know, but it'll hang from a lot of things, guys. And you know, I know for sure that if you have a Tacoma, it'll wrap around the tailgate and hang that way. You know, like I cannot tell you guys like how many times in the woods I'm gonna use this thing. You know, I'm great for putting firewood in, trash, things that are like smelly, anything that you don't want to bring inside of the vehicle with you, guys. Telling you, this bag is a lifesaver. It's got some pockets here, it's got a pocket here, it's got drains on the bottom, it's not gonna hold water, and you know, they are super tough. It's got the a molly structure here to, you know, loop whatever that you want in, and super useful, guys. I like them. They're like 60 bucks on Yotamafia.com. Number 4, tire repair kit. Super useful. I've used one myself. Like, tires go flat. Tires have air, and if you puncture it, it's gonna go flat, guys. This right here is an ARB Speedy seal kit. You know, it's a little, a step above those kits that you get on Amazon that are really like a one-time use. Check this thing out, guys. Here we go. Pa-ching! Break into this bad boy. First thing off the bat, needle nose pliers. Super useful. A lot of kits don't even have these. You need a good set of needle nose pliers if you know, are gonna patch a tire. Another thing right here, which you should have one of these anyway, but if you find yourself not having it, you know, a tire pressure gauge. Super useful. And You know, great stuff here. Comes with all this good stuff. Even has extra valve stems, extra Schrader valves, the tool, metal and plastic valve stem caps, guys. So, you know, just a great kit all around. You know, will definitely be the hero on the trail if you have one of these. If you have one of these with you, comes with grease for the patch or for the plug. Comes with, it tells you how to do it, and you know, a bunch of plugs, guys. So super useful. These are 45 bucks, guys, on Yotamafia.com. You can't go wrong with it as a gift, or if, you know, like you need one in your vehicle. Everyone should have one, guys. And yeah, that's number 4. Number 5 is communications, guys. And communications is super important. So guys, for 80 bucks, this is what you can get, guys. So from Midland, a 2-way radio, guys, and you know, most of the time, you know, it's just you and a buddy going out. You know, this is all you need, guys. You know, you can upgrade to a GMRS, to ham radios, which, you know, are super, super awesome. I myself use a GMRS system, and you know, it's a great upgrade. You know, it has a lot further range, but you know, you do need other people with a ham radio or GMRS. With these bad boys, you and your buddy can communicate at any given time. You know, they've got some other cool features like this. Check it out. Wait for it. Oh. The weather, guys, which is super useful no matter where you are, guys. If you're setting up camp, things are looking iffy, dial that bad boy in and you'll know what's going on. And you know, for that in itself is worth 80 bucks. All right, guys, that's it for our 5 best useful Overland items, guys. They're all on our website. They're all under 100 bucks and they're all in stock, guys. If you liked any of those items, they're down below in the description. Hit the link. And if you have any questions, a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And that's it, guys. Make sure to go subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.